Hello guys, so how would you restore your Apple TV? So here we are on our home screen and you just need to go to settings, then system, and then here you have option to reset. So you have two options, right? So you can reset completely, or you can choose reset and update to restore your Apple TV to factory settings. Erase all settings and information, but your TV OS will be updated to latest version. So you decide here. Also, if you want just to restart your Apple TV, you can just click here. If you want to check for your software updates, just go here and you will be able to see if your tvOS software is up to date. Right now it is. So that's about it. That's how you restore or restart your Apple TV.